This is Jai Bachani, your favorite real estate agent, and today we're going to have a visit on, first of all, we're going to see the construction of, the construction site of the upcoming, the area where the Creek Tower is going to be built in. Obviously we cannot go inside, but I'm going to show you a gist. And obviously we are in the Creek Harbor. Right now this is the Creek Island where I'm standing. We're going to have a visit of how the community is built. We're going to go to the sales center and visit the upcoming launch of Silver. This is a tower that's about to be launched today, and I'm going to show you what it is, how the project upholds, and especially as a community, what a beautiful community Emaar has built. It's a master community, just a community, mega community built for residential. And believe me or not, there's a world's, they say to be that there's going to be a tallest structure built in the middle of Creek Harbor that's going to be bigger than the existing world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa. Now the news is yet to come by. We're expecting news perhaps by this year about the construction update of the Creek Tower. Construction has been halted from 2020 of the Creek Tower. There's going to be the second largest mall right next to the Creek Tower, which is incredible. And now I'm in the Creek Island, and have a look at the community and just imagine the type of community that will be built inside the inner circle and the outer circle of the Creek Tower. This is where we are as Creek Island. This is what we call. It's just as it's made as JBR, but obviously without the beach. But I mean the buildings are new and the architecture is just beautiful, and the entire community is by Emaar. Just imagine the moment the entire community is built. It is in the heart of Dubai, such a close proximity to downtown Dubai, to our Dubai Marina, to our international airport, to our the Maktoum airport. The price per square foot is very affordable over here in terms of downtown Dubai. Downtown Dubai has touched 5,000, 6,000, 4,000 price per square foot. I mean, price per square foot is anything in downtown Dubai because of the amount of tourists and the amount of footfalls we see. This is why there's such a huge demand and supply. Short supply and huge demand. And this is what the history is going to repeat itself in Creek Harbor. Creek Harbor is much bigger, 3 times bigger than the existing downtown Dubai. And the community they're making is just like downtown Dubai or even better. But have a look at the existing restaurants that there is over here. I mean, it's just a pleasant place, and it's beautiful to walk around. You have obviously the water views on your right, the Dubai skyline right in front of me, and this is where the world-class restaurants are over here. It's just 5 minutes, 20 minutes walking from this to the inner circle of our Creek Tower. I'm going to show you the construction site, but this is what we have, Creek Island, as I said. And look at the views of the buildings from this point that I'm standing right now. It is exceptional. This is the Vida Hotel, of course, and we have the Emaar building surrounding it. And Emaar, when they build a master community as such, you cannot go wrong. I mean, this is going to be the upcoming downtown 2.0. I mean, this is an opportunity for international investors, for investors that are in Dubai. We have to believe in the dream of Emaar to build something incredible. And the launches that is happening in Creek Harbor is just a discount of the future. This is the construction site. On your right is what we are going to have, the new, the Creek Tower, and obviously the entire circle that's going to be built around it. Again, this is a construction site. We can see that construction is happening. There's going to be 3 metro stations that's going to pass by in Creek Harbor. Imagine the amount of footfall that's going to be in this community in the later stages. Obviously, the blue line is going to be passed in this community. 30% of rental has increased in this community. And that is a huge deal breaker. And obviously, after every announcement, Creek Harbor's value is going to increase and increase and increase. Now, this is where the residences and the Creek beaches. Now we are in the Creek Beach residences. The quality and the finishing of the buildings is just exceptional to none. I mean, over here is the artificial pools that is made for the residences of our Creek Beach. Incredible pool. We have an amazing structure of the Creek Beach, and the quality of the buildings is exceptional. But have a look. There's commercial outlets over here. There is a beautiful long stretch of swimming pool just dedicated for our Creek Beach residences. Just incredible. Now, as we exit from our Creek Beach, all the construction that is happening on your left, obviously it's all under construction. There hasn't been construction happening inside. Obviously they have started it, but obviously the Creek Tower, the MR Square, everything is going to be on your left. Okay, I'm in the MR Sales Center, and now we're going to have a project overview of this entire master community, and of course the tower Silva. I'm going to give you an entire in-depth analysis, and of course we're going to explain you the entire project. Now, this entire community is what we call Creek Harbour. For those who don't understand, Creek Harbour is the largest master community developed by Emaar, one of the top developers in Dubai. And especially you have to understand the vision of the founder of Emaar, Mohammed Al Bar. He is making this entire community as Downtown 2.0, meaning this is going to be the next Downtown Dubai. And in terms of tourists, in terms of the visibility, in terms of the appreciation and the opportunity I see in this community is incredible, and I'll explain you why. This entire tower is what we expect to be the world's largest, one of the world's largest, tallest structures. This entire mall is what we call the Emaar Square Mall, and this is going to be the second largest mall after Dubai Mall in Dubai. Now, why do I say that the amount of tourists are going to be so we're going to expect so many tourists in this entire community? Because this is going to be one of the most appreciating factors in this entire community. This is what we call Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. This is going to be protected by UNESCO, and this is going to have undisputed, amazing water views from the buildings that are in Creek Harbour. Now, this is Jadaf. This is the downtown and Dubai, the Dubai skyline and then downtown Dubai, and obviously the Burj Khalifa views. This is what we call the Creek Island. 80% has been completed, 20% is still under construction, all sold out. This is our Creek Beach and sold out over here. Creek Beach is over here. We have the artificial beach, obviously made for this residence. It's 8 to 9 level buildings over here, very exclusive, but all sold out. Now, if I can just talk about this community. This entire area it's all under construction, meaning the opportunity to get in right now is unbelievable. Let me explain you now this tower. Now have a look at this. This is the tower Silva, okay? This entire plot is going to be 450 meters only dedicated for these 5 buildings. This is the most exclusive area that you'll find in the entire Creek Harbour. Why? Because there's only 5 buildings. You can fit in 20 buildings if this entire plot was in downtown Dubai, the existing downtown Dubai. And the price per square foot you're touching in this Silva is only 2,300 and 2,400 price per square foot. Literally behind this entire tower is our international school. We have going to be amenities, and this entire green space is going to be for this 5 buildings. Now look at this. From here, this tower to our Creek Tower, there's a proximity of 500 meters. Only 5 minutes walking from this tower to the Creek Tower, and the proximity from this metro station to our tower Silva is going to be only 750 meters, meaning there's going to be only 7 minutes walking from here. There's a Badia golf course right behind this tower, and there's going to be a metro station which is going to be approximately 7 minutes, 5 minutes distance from this tower to the Creek Tower, 500 meters, and the entire plaza under the Creek Tower is 500 meters in size. So imagine the amount of, and this is connected to the upcoming Emaar Square mall, and this is going to be incredible. And obviously we have the world's largest metro station coming into this community. Around 5 schools in this entire community. Based on the news of the world's largest metro station that is coming in Creek Harbour, 30% of the rentals have already increased in Creek Harbour, and we can see this is one of the biggest rental hikes. And imagine once, now again, the construction update of the Creek Tower is that Creek Tower the construction was stopped in 2020. In 2025, this year, we are expecting the construction update for this entire tower. And most importantly, you have to understand, the moment the news comes up for this Creek Tower, the appreciation for this community is going to increase. The moment we expect a news for the Emaar Mall, the Emaar Square Mall, the appreciation is going to increase. The moment we expect schools, the amenities, they keep coming up in this entire community, we see the appreciation increase. And again, for me, price per square foot is an opportunity at the moment right now. And of course, when you see a Green Gate, such an exclusive plot dedicated for these 5 towers, price per square foot touching 2,200, 2,300, you will make money in this tower. 1 bedroom is starting at 1.8 million AED, 2 bedroom is starting at 2.65, and 3 bedroom is starting with 2.8, 2.9 million AED. Is the new downtown of Dubai, and this is what we call the Dubai Creek Harbour. It was launched in 2014, and the structure you see in front of your eyes is the tallest creek tower that's going to be built in Dubai, in the world. The tallest structure in the world, even higher, 100 meters higher than Burj Khalifa, is going to be a creek tower. And this is known to be the next downtown Dubai of the Dubai that we see right now. Because in downtown Dubai, why is downtown Dubai such a number one tourist place, and why is it so acclaimed, and why is it so sought out after destination? Because of the mall, the Dubai Mall, one of the world's largest malls, and the Burj Khalifa, the tallest tower that there is in the world right now. The Creek Tower, the upcoming Creek Tower, is going to be the tallest tower upcoming. It was launched in 2016, and there's going to be an indoor Dubai Square mall over here that you see it over here. So once this entire area is going to be built, it's going to be even bigger than the downtown Dubai. And what's even more fascinating is that it's just 10 minutes away from downtown Dubai in terms of driving. And it's only 10 minutes away from our DXB International Airport. So in terms of price per square foot, downtown Dubai is trading between 2,900 price per square foot. This is trading for 2,299, around 2,000 and 2,300 price per square foot of the apartment you can get over here, which is very, very, very attractive in terms of investment. Let's look at this entire structure as a whole. This entire area is what we call downtown of Creek Harbour. This one is what we call Creek Island. And this is what we call Creek Beach. Up till now, this entire area has to be constructed yet. 70% of the entire Creek Island has been constructed and almost about to be handed over. Even most of the Creek Beach has been handed over. We can see the Vida hotel, and obviously the front row of the Creek Beach has already been structured over here. You can see it over here. This is our Creek Beach. And in front of the Dubai skyline that we can see it from here is over here. This is the view that we get our Creek Beach. In front of Creek Beach is our Creek Island. And coming over here, this is how your Creek Beach is going to look like. And this is our artificial man-made infinity pool made only for our Creek Beach, because this entire lagoon is not swimmable. So this is how the Creek Beach is. We have obviously the Vida Hotel, the tallest tower in this entire area. And now coming back over here, this entire Dubai Creek, the downtown of Creek, we have three views. We have this one is Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary, protected by UNESCO, meaning that there won't be any residential buildings going to be built in this entire area. We have the views of the skyline Dubai, the one that you see it over here. This is skyline of Dubai, the Burj Khalifa, the downtown Dubai. You're going to see it from here in front of our Creek Tower. And that area is our Jaddaf. So we have three views, very beautiful views of the skyline of Dubai, Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary and Jaddaf. Now coming back to this entire master plan, it sits in 5.5 million square feet of plot size, 2 times the plot size of downtown Dubai. Downtown Dubai, I believe, is around 2.25 million plot size. And if you look at, it's very interesting. If you look at the master plan is really, really interesting. The plaza below the Creek Tower is around 500 meters of walkable area, and this entire walkable pedestrian trail all the way from the Creek Tower to our address viewing deck, it's around 30 minutes of walkable distance all the way from here. So in terms of accessibility to our Creek Island is very, very easy. Obviously, we can see that, after the mall that is being built, we need connectivity from our location point of view. There's going to be 3 metro stops in this entire downtown of Creek. You see over here, they're going to have 3 stops in this entire downtown of Creek. Now, in terms of infrastructure, there already has been a lot of infrastructure that has been launched. But one new launch that we're going to see up till now is 1 bedroom is starting with 1.8, 2 bedroom is starting with 2.7, and 3 bedroom is starting with 4.2. The launch details we're going to get very soon. All of this is going to be a walkable pedestrian leading to our Creek Tower. The entire, the circle of Creek Tower is going to host F&B outlets, retail stores, coffee shops. Obviously, we're going to have schools on the side. We're going to have an entire 3 times the mall that it's already existing in Dubai Mall that we are in Dubai. So Dubai's biggest mall is Dubai Mall, correct? 3 times the size of Dubai Mall is going to be this one, the Indo Dubai Square Mall, which is going to be phenomenal once the entire structure gets built. If you're interested in this project, you have my phone number, contact me, let's get your meeting and let us secure a very, very good unit in this Creek Harbour that you see in front of us. I'm in the Creek Harbour Sales Center. I'm going to show you the new launch that's coming up called Silva. This tower is in a green gate plot, okay? This is one of the most greenest plots that there is right now in the Creek Harbour. Now, you have to understand the exclusivity of this entire plot, because this entire plot is under construction. This is our Creek Beach that has already been constructed, handed over and sold out, especially with the Creek Island, which is 80% completed. And imagine the proximity of this tower to the Creek Tower, and of course the proximity of this tower to the metro station. This metro station is going to be the world's tallest metro station, as announced by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, which is going to be an integral part of the Blue Line in Dubai. You have to understand, Downtown Dubai is one of the most premium locations ever. Why is it the most premium? Because of the Burj Khalifa, just as in the Creek Harbour, and the mall, the Dubai Mall. Now, the Creek Harbour is now the Creek Tower is standing as how it is of Dubai's the Burj Khalifa. So there's a Creek Tower which is meant to be the tallest structures in Dubai after Burj Khalifa, and then there is a mall which is going to be the second largest mall after Dubai Mall in Dubai. This entire community is, if you go to the left, you will have a Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary right over here, which is protected by UNESCO. This is our Creek Island, and over here is our Jaddaf, right over here, and this is the skyline of Dubai and the Burj Khalifa. I mean, this is a mega master community by Creek Harbour. It is 3 times the size of Dubai Mall, the downtown Dubai, and you have to understand 3 metro stations are going to go past right it. 15 schools are going to go past this Creek Harbour, and you have to understand the Green Gate, which I was talking, where the upcoming launch of Silva. I'm going to show you the Green Gate plot. This is our Green Gate plot, okay? It's going to be, now this is dedicated for the greenest plot in the Creek Harbour, and if you can just have a look, this is our upcoming school right behind the Silva Tower, which is why it has more the more, how do I say this, the more premiumness to the entire plot. We have obviously the international school coming up, we have the amenities, if you see it over there, and the green space is dedicated for only 5 towers. It's a 450 meters of the entire plot, which Creek Harbour is not reliable to. You have to understand, in this plot, if it was in downtown Dubai, 15 to 20 towers could have been fit